Did you know that our toes play a very important role in how we maintain balance and anchor during dynamic movement? My name is Dr. Emily Spickle, functional podiatrist and human movement specialist. Now, what I'm describing is what's called toe flexor strength. This function of our digits is critical to how we maintain dynamic balance and push off when we run, jump, or change direction. Now, when I think about toe function, there's a few key things. First is, what is natural toe alignment? The proper position for our toes is long, straight, and flat to the ground. Second is taking advantage of toe flexor strength, or this anchoring mechanism, which is the pushing of the digits down into the ground. Now, there's an exercise that I teach that activates the toe flexors. This is called forward lean. When I teach forward lean, what I'm going to have you do is bring yourself into a standing position with your feet shoulder width apart. I want you to lift your toes, find your foot tripods. You're going underneath the first metatarsal head, fifth metatarsal head, heel. Spread those toes nice and wide. Place them back down onto the floor and then stand nice and tall. And I want you to imagine that you are stiff as a board. Staying stiff as a board, I want you to slightly lean your body forward and then bring it back to a vertical position. I'm going to show you from the side. My toes are spread wide. I'm standing nice and tall. And then I'm going to slightly lean forward and bring it back vertical. Slightly lean forward and bring it back vertical. Now, every time you slightly lean forward, did you feel in your toes that there was a anchoring reflex or response in your toes? That is essentially activating toe flexion strength. Remember, your toe flexors act as an anchor or a stabilizing response against balance and dynamic movement and push off. So when you're thinking about optimal movement and optimal foot function, I want you to think of, let's think about the toes. Let's think about toe flexor strength. What is that natural toe alignment? And how do I activate and strengthen my toe flexors, which is demonstrated through forward lean. To learn more about natural foot function and how you can achieve your optimal foot strength, please visit dremilyspickle.com.